Happy Thursday to you. It's almost end of the week. Have you done what you meant to do, or what you planned, or what you committed yourself since Monday this week? If you have, well done. You are amazing. But if you haven't done it, don't beat up yourself. You still have 2 days to go for this week. Today Thursday and tomorrow Friday. Get up and do it. Training, working, whatever is in your life. We all have something to do because no one will do it for us. We must get up and we must do it. We must take charge of our life. And we're too big a gift in this beautiful planet to feel sorry for ourselves. Don't ever feel sorry for yourself. It didn't happen before, it will happen this time. Get up and do it. Enjoy your day.